kind of going on a mission right now. The new GoPro 10 just came out probably a little over a week ago, and I called all the Best Buys locally near me and they're all sold out, or they just haven't got them in stock. Obviously, if you guys don't know, shipping and like exporting and just all that is a huge mess. Even with USPS shipping orders, it's honestly getting ridiculous. You know, a 2-day order is taking 4 to 5 when it's priority 2-day shipping. It just doesn't make sense. So I found a GoPro 10 about 30-40 minutes away, so we're gonna head down to that Best Buy hoping that it's still there. They couldn't put it on hold. They said that you can just place the order through here, but I said I want to check it out because they have an open box version for $100 cheaper, or they have the normal one just brand new sealed in the pack. So I wanted to check out the open box. If I could save $100, and obviously I'd rather do that, but if there's some issues like missing pieces or whatever the case may be, then I will just get the brand new GoPro 10. I don't want to get the GoPro 9 even though it is $100 cheaper, or I think it's $100 or $200 cheaper, just because, you know, they just did the GoPro 10. It just doesn't make sense. So we're gonna get the GoPro 10 because I think we're gonna sell Sunday at the flea market. So this is gonna be kind of tied to last Sunday. When we sold at the flea market, we made $1,400, but I didn't have a GoPro. So now I'm gonna get a GoPro so that way we can record some footage. So let's head to Best Buy, let's see what they have, and let's see if we can get the new GoPro 10, guys. All right, so I just got here. They're going to check the back to see if they can find it because it says right here, open box, $399. It's $100 cheaper. The normal price is $400, $500, so basically $400 versus $500. Hopefully they can find that open box because obviously $100. And obviously the 9 is $100 cheaper, but the 10, you just got to go with the new and improved, you know? They even have the 8, they have the Max too, but I don't really understand the Max. I'm just gonna stick with the 10 that I know. Just my luck, they ended up selling the open box one, even though I called ahead and said that they had it. I guess they sold it yesterday, but he's gonna talk to the manager and see if they can give me a brand new one and price match it the same as the open box. So basically $400 versus $500. Let's see what, hopefully we can. If not, whatever, it's not meant to be. And either I'll just spend the $500 and get the 10, or I'll wait for another open box to save some little money. But let's see what happens. Just like that, we got the new GoPro 10. So they ended up selling the open box, but they talked to the manager and they got it down to $429. So $430 after tax and everything was $460. The open box was $400, and then the open box did have either pieces missing or they had scratches on it. So this is brand new, never opened, and I only had to pay $30 more than the open box. So I feel like that was I couldn't have passed it up, you know. I saved money. Where are my keys at? Hold on, I lost my keys. All right, so like I was saying, $30 more, and you know, I can't beat that. So we got the new GoPro 10. This is good. Now I can make lobster videos. Now I can make boat videos. Now I can just wear it as a body cam. I'm gonna have so much more content. This is gonna be amazing for this, and I'm really excited. So I came to the chicken spot. I got chicken tenders. These things are huge. I got a 5-piece. I didn't realize how big these things were. I only ordered these on... Yeah, I got it. Thank you so much. I only Ubered Eats this. And then I also got some waffle fries. And then the sauce is acai ranch. And then like a honey mustard. It's called like the spot sauce. Shit looks gas though. I don't know if these are authentic or not, but we have these bread 11s. Then we have like this backdoor Miami. What size are these? High tops. These look like my size. They are 10.5, too small. Let's see, A6. What are these? Adventure Ride sandals. Nothing else good here. Start off with this sick Logo 7 vintage Miami Dolphins big logo, size 2XL, nice size. Usually we find these in like a medium large, so it's nice to find a bigger size. Then this, I have no idea what this is. Play Dead, bite on the big screen. Oh, it's the root beer. I'll have to look that up. This brand new with tags, super dry, reel down vest. We have this Nike Miami Hurricanes with the little Chanel logo, the embroidered swoosh, nothing on the back. And then this sick woman's Adidas jacket with like the floral hits on it. few other things we need to look up or probably put back is this Jordan jersey. It's just nothing special. We found this Highway button down. I think these are only worth like 20-30 bucks, so I'm probably gonna leave this also. And then we found a pair of frame pants. I'm pretty sure these are expensive, but again, I'm gonna look them up and see that brand frame. Well, I made it back home and I kind of got the GoPro set up. I charged it, I did all the firmware stuff like that, so you could see the GoPro Hero 10 Black. But it didn't come with much accessories. You know, it comes with this clip, it comes with this. So what I did was I Amazon Prime 1-day shipping, so that way I can use this for tomorrow. 50-piece like kit. So basically it has like a chest mount, a head mount, one for the boat, just all the accessories I need to go through and take out the plastic. So this just means ton of content coming soon. Tomorrow I'm gonna be doing selling sessions. I'm gonna have the GoPro set up on my chest mount because obviously today was such a fail. You know, it would have been such a good video, but just stay tuned for the next video. I'm literally, like I said, I'm gonna wear it as a chest mount and record the whole entire time tomorrow at the swap shop. And then the day after that, Monday, I'm going to be going on the boat and getting some lobsters, so I'm gonna definitely bring the GoPro for that. So I feel like with this GoPro, we're just gonna make a ton of more videos, a lot more content. So I'm sorry today's swap shop video was kind of shitty, but stay tuned for the next one. Smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, follow me on Instagram at DITR954, and let's get it, guys.
I ain't got a car. I'll bring out. Bring out 2 more. drum, I just put it in.
Huh? No. It's fine.
I'm gonna hold the shirt for you.
No, that's fine. Actually, yeah. I'll put this one back.
Viste que no me equivoqué, que no hay nada.
I'm sorry, I don't speak Spanish.
I say, when you don't see the Asian girls outside, the store always is empty.
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing happened. I don't know if they have a connection here or something.
Alright, so this was today's pickups. We have this Playboy little Sherpa, pretty sure it's a woman's jacket. We found this 2004 Pepsi Daytona NASCAR shirt. Found this white tag Nike, a little embroidered. It does have a little stain right there. It is a cutoff shirt. I'll probably just keep it for the gym. Found another white tag, or sorry, gray tag, Nike embroidered, distress. Has some stains here. This was a Red Hot Chili Peppers. Seems like the tag was cut, and there's no timestamp or anything, so I think I'm gonna get it just for $1. Might as well gamble with it. I found this 100 shirt. Has this back logo. I found this New Age Metallica long sleeve, Damaged Juice. And then we found this Disney 100 Years of Magic. So nothing too crazy, but better something than nothing.